Hello everyone and welcome to another video on the Midland Mainline, which looks a lot better than the last time I played it. Is that just me? I don't know, the update's coming out now? One of those updates expected for it. Right, I haven't driven this in a while. I'm trying to figure out what I'm doing. Right, that's that. And then that's that. Where are headlights? Oh, there they are. They had them to markers. Right, let's release the brake because the brakes can be a bit of a bummer. But we're going from St Pancras to Derby. Well, we're not going from St Pancras, we're going from Leicester to Derby, but this service would be a St Pancras Sheffield service. I'm calling it Derby only, so it should be about 25 minutes. Assuming we're on time. Yeah, that's a lot of money, so I don't know. Maybe the HST just makes it a bit more crisp, or maybe it's the time of day. Right, lock doors. That. 1, 2, 3. Off we go. Why haven't the brakes come on? I've released them. There we go, the brakes have just started coming off, even though I asked them to come off about 10 minutes ago. That was nice. There you are, you can hear the brakes. Yeah, I put all of my trains and variants into a spin wheel, and on that spin wheel, we drove the Class 40, then we drove, what did we drive? Then we drove the 375, then we drove Flying Scotsman, and now we're in the 8+2 HST. Cruising out of Leicester at 40 miles an hour, that's the speed limit. I wonder if we'll see any of the cargo line too soon. Right, so you can actually leave 4 power, which is nice. I've seen one of these people going quite interested. What's it called? Midland Pullman. Yeah. I mean, it sounds like it's always we tell me it's MTU, but I'm pretty sure it's the Lanta Power PP150. Bit early for beans, but what's the speed limit now? It's going to go up to 1. What is already gone up? It's gone up to 65. Okay. Nice. How far is Derby away? 24 miles. So it's like a mile a minute. Which means we need an average speed of about, taking half an hour, so we need like an average speed of 120. I don't reckon we'll be able to achieve that, considering the speed level really goes more than 110. But always good to be optimistic rather than pessimistic, or whatever it's pronounced. Yeah, speed's now 110, correct. Off we go. Split 3 and 5. So 4 and a half. Yeah, 5 standard, 3 first class. But it's more like 5 standard, 2.5 first class because there's a restaurant coach. I think on the 5-car Meridians it's 2 first class, 3 standard class. racing a lot. Look at that. Oh look, there's another HST. Let's see. Oh, that's a nice screenshot. Yeah. And then let's put a bit of, and then sort of like there. Nice. I like that. That's probably going to be the front. I mean, you'll know what the thumbnail is because you've got this video. Unless I do the classic now, if we get to a point of thumbnail before the video goes out, there's no thumbnails. Yeah, you may have noticed it's once or twice. I thought it's going to feel weird going through East Midlands Park Mainline style. There's the 40-mile-an-hour crossing where you cross over to the slow lines if you're going towards Stansted Airport, which is over that way. Cross country 170 just now. So it'd be nice if we ever got a cross country 170. So I know, say the Birmingham Cross City timetable, if they can put that into the game officially, and then put the cross country 170 in, that would be nice if we could see it on this route, even if it's as short as, well, Leicester to, what's that station called? It's not Sileston, is it? Oh no, it is Sileston. That's one Saturday. What's this bit? 120. Okay, just think about that. So. Yep. It's a shame that all that's left of these now is whatever's a Scott Brown. And whatever GWR still have, but they're not going to be left for long. Neither of us got our ones. Soon we're going to be into City 225, 125-less, and soon into City 225-less. Which is sad. Yeah, there's not many plus 2 services, there's some, but there's a lot more 6 plus 2s. I wonder if we'll get any fast signals because it's going quite fast. We're approaching Loughborough and Mountsorrel. Yeah, Mountsorrel is literally there. There's a 1.5 there. I'll be honest, I'm not a fan of the 1.8. To be honest, about 5 times now. Yeah, I'm not a massive fan of the 1.8. Yeah, we've done about a quarter to journey already. That was just getting up to speed, now we've got to hold the speed. I mean, the speed of he's about to go to 120, but I don't think that speed will last long, so we'll continue at 110. Because we ain't going to anything to 120. We'll just come down to 110 right now, or like that. It's a very scenic route, this one. Like, I remember, like when I first watched, when it came out, like it was Joe Dobson, and there's loads of bugs in it. But now, do you know what I mean? Like, it looks like very well detailed and scenic route. Here we are, so the speed is still on 20, it is on 25, so maybe we'll scratch what I said about 120 minutes. And then we'll go up. Go up, above, beyond. Yeah, I'm not seeing any of the cargo services, the ones that go to Mysore, or the ones that just go up to Tokyo. Steps is braking, launch is throttle. I don't think it's going to be worth going up to 120, so we'll just cruise that one time. If they have smoke in them, that's how they yeah, that'll tell me the updates on it, and they don't have smoke in them, so I'm assuming for now. Yeah, what's the speed around here? I was down to 70. I can't see any smoke, so I'm going to say for now that the update is not on, it just looks like this. I mean, the scenery around here, I just compliment that don't look good. That really doesn't look like that at all. I need to put that to 70. I need to come down to more than that. With step 2 breakage on. Step 3. And I'm back to step 2. And back to ship. Depending on how well this slows us down, which judging by that is not very. Let's save it here. So the next signal should be a single yellow. Oh, there's a HST. He's an 8 plus 2. I think it's a green signal for us. No, it's a single yellow. What, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yeah, 8 plus 2. So he's 10 like us. Right. Okay, signal's gone green, up to 70. Yeah, up to 70. Spent so long getting up to speed, and I spent so long getting back up to speed. It's well. Yeah. Oh well, this one it is. Oh, let me throw my phone away with a shot. 60 miles an hour. There's another one. Oh, it's busy. 6 plus 2. I think that's the 4th HST we've seen on this journey. It's been the 5th. Is it? Oh, I suppose it's evening peak, so we're all going back to London. Yeah, I suppose. See, yeah, it is evening peak. My speed limit's currently 80 and can go up to 100 off this station. Otherwise it gone up to 100 yet? Yes, it has. 7 miles from Derby, so we've done... What did it start at? 24. So we've done 2/3 of the journey. Which means this video will be about 27 minutes. Imagine that living next to railway lines when one of these comes flying past would be very nice. Like living in those houses over there and one of these going past your house at 90 miles an hour in the middle of the night. Well, I can't imagine these would run any later than sort of 10 p.m. Is that 1:15 then? It is. What's this look going then? Waste no time. Make sure it connects it up. What's all this? All this white stuff? Because it's not frost. It's what's May, so it can't be frost. It's not 20 degrees outside. About 15, I'd say. The sun should be, wait, no, I've just done a full lap. The sun should be setting over there. Let's take it off. Put some brake on. But yeah, it's been a while since we've done this route. Or at least it feels like it anyway. Here's where you tell me something like that. Well, it's been more than 2 weeks. be slowing down to 80. Oh, hang on. Should be slowing down to 85. We've slowed down to 80. Well, it just come down to 75, so maybe we'll just hold on to that. Oh, Mr. Phone. There's no PIS at this station, could you imagine? They'd be kicking off down here. There's no PIS. They'd be fuming. Well, there's a warning for the 75 limit, but we're doing 70, so we'll be grand for that. It comes down to 55 just after that, and then most will be 30. There's 1.4 miles to Derby Station, but Derby Station's not even on that. Do you know what I mean? 1.2 miles to Derby, but on our HUD that's showing us the next 1.5 miles, the station isn't on. Right. Oh, HST's going on. Here we are, coming into Derby. There's a quick run. Right, speed limit warning to change to 50 at 30. Let's slow down. Oh, double yellow signal. We've got adverse signals. I wonder what this is for. Freight train jumping? No, because it's only cargo line volume 1 that comes down here. And I don't own cargo line volume 1, so we won't be seeing any of that until we get that for free. Yeah, let's continue slowing down to 30. Okay, break off there. There's the 55 limit. What is that? Green. County Green. Must probably butcher that pronunciation, but it's 30 miles an hour across the points. Let's give the game a quick save. Oh no, we're not going across the points. We're going this way. Good job we're not going left because it's 25. I can't see why that's 25. I reckon we could get 30 around there easy. Right, okay, it's 25 for all lines here. That's a bit too much brake. I don't know why I put so much brake on that. Is that including us? There's 25 for? No, apparently. Although it's 20 up to a red signal, so I'm more than happy to hold at this speed. And we'll be going down to the very end of the platform. Yeah, the very end of our platform. Let's put a bit of braking on, just to slow it down gently. So it doesn't feel like we're racing up to it without slowing down. Oh. Sugar, that could have been an easy AWS emergency brake application penalty brake thing. Right, that's better. Now we're cruising up to it. A bit close there. Wouldn't mind standing back. Right, brakes on, throttle off, engine only, into initial left hand side of the brakes. And that has been today's Midland Mainline video. If you have enjoyed it, please do like and subscribe, and I'll see you all next time for some more Train Sim World.